Okay, so we end every episode with an undupable segment. And so I'm going to have you guys each name 5 things that are undupable to you. It doesn't have to be products. It can be products. It can be a place, a dish. It can be a piece of clothing.
Now I'm thinking so outside the box.
Oh yeah, wait, it could be food?
It's up to you. Listen, whatever you feel is most effective.
Okay.
But it is, okay, I got a timer here. All right. So ready,
Yep.
set, go.
Okay, facial massage. Recently, I think this is such a good thing for self-care, also lymphatic drainage, amazing. There is a hot wing place in Colorado called the King of Wings. It is the best hot wings I've ever had in my entire life. Like, I literally dream about it, and it's honestly ruined hot wings for me. Okay? I would say... Oh my gosh. Naturalizer wide calf boots. One of my outfit recipes for confidence is like a mini skirt and knee-high boots. And Naturalizer is a great place to find them. Also Dolce Vita. I would say no mascara. We talked about that. That's like kind of an undupable for me. Also, I'm new to lip liner. And I have found one called Base Camp Beauty. It's like an Australian brand. I literally like have to pay just as much as a lip liner for shipping. And it's like the only lip liner I can use as someone who's not good at lip liner. Was that 5?
2. That was 5.
That was good.
Wow, that was
Oh my
good.
God. Why did I be like I needed to do more food?
No, that hot. I feel like my brother lives in Colorado. I'm going to have him.
He needs to go.
Yeah.
And then tell me everything.
Also, the naturalizer thing is such a key, because I will say, again, you talk about everybody has like things that are, again, regardless of what size you are, that might be trickery. Not being able to find boots that fit my calves was always so heartbreaking. Like, I'm like, I just want to wear boots and I cannot find something that fits over my calves. So agree. Naturalizer does it really well.